Hey guys, this is Bonnie coming back to you with another delicious meal from Heart Healthy Lifestyle 60 Plus. And today I'm going to be making a shrimp feta cheese tomato meal. I'm going to use some Kalamata olives, fresh mint and parsley, some lemon, feta cheese. I have some red onion here. I have some fresh garlic. This is my shrimp. And I'm going to be using some fire roasted Murglen organic. But you can use regular diced tomatoes or fire roasted, however you want to use. Now I put some olive oil in here, a little salt and pepper, fresh dill, some red peppers, the chili peppers, and some oregano. And I'm just going to blend all of this together. These are wild Alaskan shrimp. And I want all these flavors just to marinate in here and let just sit to the side. So I'm going to get this sauce started. This is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. These are my red onions. I'm going to let these get simmered down for like maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, or whatever you prefer. That doesn't take long. Okay, I'm going to put my garlic in. That's 6 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to let that just marinate, let these flavors marry. This garlic smells so delicious. And I got my fire on medium. Oh my God, this smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Now, I'm going to put in 1 whole can of the tomatoes, fire roasted tomatoes. And then this is when you can add your seasonings. You can add a little bit of salt. And you can also add some pepper. Now, once you put the canned tomatoes in, I automatically add my lemon juice, and then I'm gonna let this boil on high for like 15 minutes because this is really the base of your soup. Just letting this boil for like 15 minutes, and then when it starts boiling, you can turn it down to a simmer for like 5 minutes. And I also just added some dry oregano. And I'm going to also add some more fresh dill. I know there were some bits of piece of garlic on there, but that's okay. And I'm going to blend this all in. And just let that continue to cook. Yum. Okay, now this has been shrimp, put that right in there. And this is not going to take long to cook. As soon as you see them starting to turn pink, these babies are done, honey. Yes! All that fresh dill, oregano, and the red pepper. This is going to be delish. This looks so good and smells so good. And just let that simmer for like 3 minutes. And as you can see here, the shrimp is completely cooked. Looks delicious. Now, I'm going to add my feta cheese. My Kalamata. I hope I'm saying that right. Kalamata olives. And I'm just going to work that right in there. Just like that. Oh boy, look at all that richness and creaminess with those shrimp. Oh, goodness. That looks delicious. And now, here's my fresh mint and fresh parsley. And we're gonna blend all of that together. And you can serve this right over cauliflower rice, or you can just serve it over orzo pasta or brown rice. If I know my family, they're gonna go for the orzo pasta. I have the cauliflower rice. So, we gotta do a taste testing. Oh my God, that is so delicious. You can taste the saltiness from the feta cheese and the calamari olives and the tomatoes, the shrimp, and the little red hot peppers that are really red chili peppers that are in there. Makes this one wonderful, delicious dish. It's such robust flavor. It's just oozing out of everywhere. It's so good. So if you like this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And for those of you know that some of you know, I've also been doing the Mediterranean diet as well. And this recipe is from the Mediterranean dish. I will leave a link, and you can also go on her website and you can get the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a great night. Bye-bye.